Eyes on Burangkeng. Fighting for the right to a good and healthy environment amongst mountains of waste. It should be noted, Burangkeng Landfill is a landfill owned by the Bekasi Regency government in West Java Province, Indonesia. Bekasi Regency is an area that has been zoned as an international industrial area. There are 10 industrial estates in the Bekasi Regency area and consist of thousands of foreign companies from various countries. The establishment of industrial areas is also accompanied by the establishment of residential areas due to the need for housing for workers. Every day, these areas produce waste that is transported and disposed of at the Burangkeng Landfill. Burangkeng Landfill itself is located in Burangkeng Village, where there are settlements with a population of plus or minus 18,000 people. With poor waste management and not meeting standards, Burangkeng Landfill is just like a mountain of untreated waste. Wastewater that is allowed to flow directly into the river, piles of garbage that are not coated with geomembranes and methane gas that is free to spread to various areas, plus millions of flies living in people's homes create social inequality between the international industrial area and the final landfill. Water, air, and soil pollution have been felt for decades by the community with the Burangkeng landfill. Without any serious treatment and handling from policymakers, Burangkeng landfill will become a disaster for humans and will gradually become a serial, sexy killer. By Burangkeng Youth Association cares for the environment.